This is a brand new 2013 Kia Sportage. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a chrome grille, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window windshield wiper, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.